a pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot EXL. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 202,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.